Are you looking at ways of making money doing what you love? Are you an outgoing person? Are you a people person? Do you love the city, state, or province where you live at? Then, my friend, today's video is for you. Keep watching. Hi friends, Noki here, back with another amazing side hustle video. On today's video, I'm going to be giving you ideas on how to become a local tour guide. Of course, to be successful in this side hustle business, you have to kind of be a very resourceful person. You have to know your city, state, county, country, whatever your place of residence. So like I said, you need to have some background knowledge of the city, state, county, or province of where you live in. And for you to succeed in this side hustle, you need to have excellent customer service. In other words, you need to be a people person. So what do you need to do to run a successful local tour guide side hustle? You'll need to have very professional looking photos, because that is going to be part of your portfolio. And I recommend that you have an online portfolio. You can have a website if you can afford a website. If you can just invest a little bit of money, you'll be more authentic and more professional looking if you have a website. You can also have an Instagram business page and a Facebook page, and name it whatever your business is. As for photographs, I recommend that you contact your local community centers for excellent looking photos. However, make sure that they are stock-free photos. I'm sure you can find a lot of stock-free photos, as I am showing you right here on this video. Look for professional looking clean photos that will be attractive to your potential guests. The other thing that you'll need to look into before you start your side hustle is how are you going to charge your guests and how are you going to collect payments. If you are a newbie in business, I recommend that you sign up with a PayPal business account. Well, even if you have a PayPal, a personal account, it should work just as well. Now, to build your website, you'll need to give some information on the location of that place that you're advertising or the activity that you're advertising. Give some background, because you know, when tourists or potential travelers are looking to visit places, they want to read up about the places. So you need to have some good background on the places that you're going to be showing to your visitors. It will also be very helpful if you have a car or if you are in a position to rent a car, so that you can take your guests around to show them those places that they will choose to visit. Let me also say, the more places that you showcase on your portfolio, website, or Instagram business page or Facebook page, the more places you have and the more detailed they are, the higher the chances that you are going to be hired. Remember, most of these people will travel across the world to visit our places of interest. For example, right here in Chicago, people visit Chicago to see Navy Pier, to see the former Sears Tower, now called the Willis Tower, and the skyline, of course. Oh, and by the way, they also like to visit the zoos like Brookfield Zoo. And if these people are interested in sports, they definitely would like to visit sports stadiums like Soldier Field and Regal Field. It will be very useful to know about all the museums, because those tend to attract a lot of visitors. Another characteristic or skill that you have to have is you have to be very patient, because you'll be dealing with a lot of different characters and you have to be in a position to answer a lot of questions. So in other words, for you to succeed in this side hustle, you have to do a lot of research, know your places, and you will be successful in that business. Once you succeed in this business, I recommend that you also look at neighboring states. Like if you live in the Illinois area, you can look at places like Wisconsin, Ohio, and of course, Indiana. This way you are expanding your options and you are growing your business. As far as charging your customers, there are a number of factors that you have to look into. The time that you're going to spend taking them around. Have an idea how long you are prepared to take your tourists around. How long is it going to take you to drive from your place to meet your customers, and how long are you going to be showing them the places. For example, if you're going to make a Lincoln Zoo or Brookfield Zoo tour, you know for sure that you'll need more than an hour for the tour. So I recommend that you look at the times, you go there on your own and act like you are taking these people around, and see how long it will take them to go around the whole place, and give or take 30 minutes or an hour, and be very, very generous with your time and have flexible rates. I also recommend that you have packages of similar activities so that they can mix and match, and also be very flexible when it comes to your guests choosing the places of interest that they want to visit. As you are doing your research and putting together your portfolio, my friend, make sure that you don't forget or skip on those food places. Make sure you include the most popular restaurants of eating places that are very, very popular in your city, including specialty cuisines and stuff like that. For example, here in Chicago, we are well known for good pizzas. So if I were to do this side hustle, I'll definitely include places like Giordano's or Uno's Pizza, which are located throughout the Chicagoland area. So make sure that you include those eating places or the special cuisine that are popular in your city. You know, most people love to eat, and once you showcase eating places, that is actually going to be one of your best selling items on your packages. Here are a few success tips on how you can take your local tour guide business to another level. I just have two for now. Number one is you want to make sure that you give your side hustle business a beautiful but relevant name, a name that can easily be searchable and found. And the second tip related to being searchable is you might want to invest in some Google ads. You know, they are not as expensive as you may want to think. Invest in some Google ads and make sure that you use relevant keywords so that your business can be found. With that being said, my friend, here's wishing you the best on your next side hustle that is fun to do, that is very, very low startup cost, that is super exciting. Remember to keep it professional. Yeah, so with that being said, I thought I'll just stop by here to give you an idea of another amazing side hustle that does not require a lot of startup cost. All you need to do, my friend, is do your research and love what to do. Love your city, love your county, love your province, and enjoy being around people, enjoy being around children, because some of these people are going to visit your state, city, province as families. And also make sure that you state the times that you are available. Are you going to be doing this during the summer season, the fall, the spring? Because all these seasons have different types of activities that you can showcase. But if you are in the Midwest area where we get beautiful hot summers, you definitely want to make sure that you take advantage of this summer and make sure that you make it easy for people to find you. Have an email address, a telephone number. Be as legit as possible and be professional looking. And to advertise your business, I recommend that you start building relationships with your community centers, the city hall, and other business places where you can drop off your flyers or business cards for the people to distribute so that your potential clients can find you. If you are looking for more ideas on how to make and save money, check out these two playlists right here. And until next time, my friends, remember to do small things with great love from my heart to yours. Cheers. Adios. Bye-bye. See you next time. I'm out.